Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Bittrex with Coinbase. The first thing I'm going to compare are fees, and then I'm going to show you the features and what you should actually do with Coinbase and what you should do with a Bittrex. So let's start. Now, both of these are completely different platforms. What do I mean by that? In Coinbase, you're gonna buy Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies like Ethereum with fiat money, Euro, USD with normal currencies, and then you can take the Bitcoin to Bittrex and buy altcoins, Dogecoin. I don't even know if Dogecoin is altcoin, but maybe it is. So again, to paint it out, and then we will go to the fees. You got the Coinbase. You got normal Euro, USD, whatever, right? You get it to Coinbase, you buy Ethereum. You can do it through the link down below in the description, and then you're gonna get $10 for free, so do it. Then you're gonna buy the Ethereum. You will transfer the Ethereum to the Bittrex, right? And in Bittrex, you can get rich by buying altcoins. I'm just kidding, right? And what are the fees here? Now, when we got this beautiful paint Picasso, what you should do, I love making this video, guys. I love it so much because I love creating these structures and processes, what you can do. In Coinbase, you don't want to actually buy the cryptocurrency through Coinbase. When you would click here to buy and sell, you click buy Bitcoin, and you don't want to go here and click Ethereum and write €100 and preview the buy. No. That's $384 that you're gonna pay. No. What you want to do is go to Coinbase, Pro Coinbase. You want to just do this. And let me show you. Because in Pro Coinbase, when you would buy, let's go with Ethereum, and you want to buy €100, you're gonna pay only 0.50 fee. Isn't that beautiful? Comparing to those €4. And let's say that if you want to buy €1,000, look at this. That's €5 on Coinbase. But right here on Coinbase Pro, on Coinbase, it's going to be Ethereum, €38. So €38 on Coinbase Pro is only 5. So what you want to do is to charge Coinbase account with a SEPA transfer, like let's say through IBAN from your bank account or credit card, or debit card, then transfer the money to Coinbase Pro, buy Ethereum there, then withdraw the money or withdraw the Ethereum. And you can withdraw with crypto address to which Ethereum address you want to do it. You want to send it to Bittrex. You got also link down below in the description. And actually, voila, you got it. And on Bittrex, you got 0.25 fee. So when I would come here, I can go to Bittrex Global, view markets, and I get to see the Dogecoin. You got multiple coins here that you don't have actually in Coinbase, right? LBC. So we can really choose multiple of them. See how far I can click. Also Zcash. So this is how we do it, because Coinbase is limited what you can actually buy and what kind of crypto you can buy there. On Bittrex, it's much more complex. And this is what you should do. So, let's say that I want to click on ZAC. Then I would go to the right side. Let me scroll down below here. Price. I can go 1,000 USDT, and then you're gonna total plus fee 0.45 or 0.25. So this really depends which one you have. So you get based on 0.25 or 25. It depends if you're a maker. So based attention 35, but let's say that I want to go with, I don't know, you can really choose Ethereum. Let's see this. Also, it really depends if it's a maker or the second one, 25 or 45%, but still on Coinbase you got 0.50 on the Pro Coinbase, but it depends. What do you want? Do you want to hold it, or you want to buy altcoins and get rich? That's a question for you. Another thing, the last thing I want to share with you. So this is what you should do. So again, to get it again, you want to get fiat money, put it to Coinbase, go to Coinbase Pro, buy Ethereum there. Then you want to add it to Bittrex, and in Bittrex you want to get rich by buying altcoins. Millionaires. Easy. And if you want to buy even altcoins for the long-term investing, what you want to do is this. Listen to me very carefully now. If you get 10,000 euro, for example, the worst thing you can do is, let's say that you want to buy a Dogecoin. And you're gonna buy it on the highest position, like most of the people do, because they're emotional. They're like, oh my god, I need to get in because oh my god, it's so high. It's going to get even higher. Then the Dogecoin drops. Classic. Dogecoin drops, and you don't have 10,000, you have 2,000 euro. Classic. But what you want to do is this. Listen to me very carefully. This is going to be the most important thing in your life. In Dogecoin, when you're gonna have it, and Dogecoin from, let's say the price is, I don't know, 0.0, let's say it's 0.5. Just for example, it's going to drop to 0.35. Then you want to invest 1,000 euro. This is like example 25. You want to invest another 1,000. But the more it drops, the more you invest. But this is what you should do in stocks. Altcoins are like hit or miss, I would say. Hit or miss. So this is what you can do. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. If you find this video useful and funny, you can subscribe. I really enjoy creating these videos. Another thing is that you can also use the links down below in the description. And if you're going to use them, you can support me and you can support yourself because you're going to get bonuses. For example, on Coinbase, you're going to get $10. So it's going to actually pay for the fee. So if you're going to, like, let's say you're going to invest 2,000 euro, that's 10 euro in fees that you would actually get from the link down below in the description. So that's perfect, right? And yep, like both platforms, what you can do and how you can invest, they are really similar. I mean, they're not like so damn different, you know? And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm ready to help you, provide you some guidance, some support. You know how it is, you know how it goes. And just enjoy, and I hope you will get rich. And also, I like creating these kind of videos, so I'm going to create more and more of them. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.